This is how to change reporter in Jira. Before anything else, we need to set modify reporter permission so that we can change reporter. To do that, go to project and select a project. Then click these three dots, go to project settings, then go to permissions and go to actions drop down menu and choose edit permissions. Then we'll search for modify reporter. We'll update this one. Choose project role, select administrators, and update. Then we'll go back to our projects and choose an issue, story, or a bug. And under reporter table, just click the reporter. So for instance, this one, and select another reporter or user. So that is how to change reporter in Jira.